मिली नहीं है हमें अर्ज़े पाक तोहफे में, मिली नहीं है हमें अर्ज़े पाक तोहफे में, जो लाखों दीप बुझे हैं तो ये चिराग जला। Move is the name of planned motion which plays an ultimate grand role in an individual's life. Movement is a word which carries a deep meaning and it shows a great struggle in the life of a nation. Movement has so many factors like commitment, policy, hard work and sacrifice. Today, I want to derive your attention toward the greatest movement in the history of subcontinent, which is called Pakistan movement. वतन से मेहरो वफा जिस्मो जान का रिश्ता है, वतन है बाग तो फिर बाग बां का रिश्ता है। It started long ago but entered in a practical phase when Qaid-e-Azam along with his dedicated team stepped in and he dominated due to his great efforts. He is a legend, he is a champion. He fought the case of Pakistan with the force of pen and won it on table. The Pakistan movement reigned a time of almost half century. Thousands of people moved at a time in a shape of large migration. They left their homes, business and jobs and even close friends behind and started their journey on the way of hardship and suffering. They lost everything. Thousands started, thousands joined them from different parts of India and they become millions. ए अर्ज़े वतन आज भी अपना ये अहद है, ए अर्ज़े वतन आज भी अपना ये अहद है, हम हर्फ़े वफ़ा खून से तहरीर करेंगे। Trains, buses and carriages pick the alive but drop the dead. Thousands of young men lost their lives, young women lost their caste and children also got separated from their parents. In this way they reached at their free and independent homeland. They all raised slogan in one voice, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad. They lost their all and got freedom. तैगों के साए में पलकर जमा हुए हैं, तैगों के साए में पलकर जमा हुए हैं, खंजर हिलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा। They knew the real meaning of freedom as they paid a great price for it. The day came 14th August 1947 which was called Pakistan Day. The Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah became its first Governor General. Passion of freedom can never be suppressed. It rises as much as it is pressed. The application of same formula was observed during the Pakistan movement. People got out of control as they lost their single destination and they found what they desired. Pakistan Day demands from us the same passion and unity as it was practiced during the movement of freedom. Every Pakistani should think and work for the great cause, which means unity, faith and discipline should be practiced to be the ideal nation of the world. ज़ल्ज़लों की दस्तरस हो कभी ए वतन तेरी इस्तकामत तक, हम पे गुजरी क़यामतें लेकिन तू सलामत रहे क़यामत।